Hello friends, I just learned a new thing about Armada wire tracers. Last week went to the Irrigation show in San Diego and talked with Armada, and for whatever reason this topic came up, but basically there is software in the wire tracers and you can check what version you have. I'll show you how to do that. It's pretty easy. Turn it on, and then when the screen pops up Armada, down the bottom right there'll be a number, and that's the software version you have. So all you have to do is obviously check what version you have, check what version is available, and then if you don't have the proper version or the most upgraded, highest version, then you can just mail in your unit to Armada and they'll upgrade it for free. So I just wanted to pass that along. So I'll show you how to check it right now. So we got ours is just the Pro 900. But yeah, you just need to turn it on. And there it is, version 1.3. So it's just real quick. So yeah, see what version it is currently, because if I tell you now, it's gonna be old if you look at it later. And then there's also one on this guy, and it does the same thing, version 1.35. Alrighty, best of luck out there.